I'm hosting lang a party at my home.
Okay. Iza, may offers sa iyo ang kapuso at kapamilya, according to your manager. Tapos, pero dito sa nakaraang Metro Manila Film Fest, Best Picture.
Nahihiya naman ako sa mga...
Best Picture, second Best Picture.
Layuan mo si Noel. Noel!
Kasama ka. Kaya mas naiengganyo ka bang gumawa ngayon ng pelikula? Like, ito ang, kumbaga, fresh sa Metro Manila Film Fest. Yung Best Picture, second Best Picture, nandun ka. At ngayon, eto February, meron ka uling bagong movie. Ayun, Dimples.
Tatapatin kita, Tito Jerry. Ang desisyon ko pong magpelikula at magteatro ay talagang kaysa TV at this point. I really rooted on. Matagal po kasi kapag ka TV. It's a really long-term commitment. And sometimes you don't know how long the long term is. So at this point, because of Dea, who just turned 2 years old, unless you give me a very compelling project, hindi po pa ako makakabalik muna sa teleserye. Just at this point, because I really would like to give most of my time to Dea. Ngayon po, bakit teleserye? Ay, bakit films at saka theater? Theater kasi, I mean, except dun sa Tech Week at saka sa shows mismo, most of it, nakauwi ako ng dinner time, bedtime. I may even get to do other things, but not really, because mahalayo yung tirahan. Films, because alam ko kung kailan matatapos. Like, I knew this was gonna be 8 days. For the cameos, I knew it was also all I could take on while doing a play. So, managed ko yung time. So, siguro po, in as much as I do miss teleserye, at saka pinaka-ano pala sa akin, yung may makakasalamuha ka, may mamimit ka mga tao, tapos sasabihin, kailan ka babalik? Meron pala tayong sense. Then, I've never felt that, na parang a sense of, almost like a sense of responsibility to entertain.
Kasi tumatatak yung mga ginagawa ng teleserye.
Thank you po. Hindi ko alam ko pong ganun, or is it thank you, or is it because also I've been doing it for a long time, so they're used to seeing me always on TV. I mean, my first lead was in 2004 in Te Amo. So parang, but then when I think about it, parang I've also given a lot naman. Sa totoo po, my bank account wants me to. I want to say that, di ba? Di ba? Yung teleserye, because again, mahaba. 3 times a week, at least. But, may panahon po para sa lahat. At iisa lang po ako. Hindi ko na po pwedeng hati-hatiin pa yung katawan ko the way I used to. And so, I'm very grateful for projects. And siguro if I do a cameo in a teleserye, that's fine. But I haven't done, there hasn't been an offer that was short enough. So, parang at this point, ito muna, and I'm very grateful na talaga namang ask and you shall receive. Yun pala talaga yun. So, thank you Lord for providing para nakakapagtrabaho pa rin ako, nagagawa ko ang mga bagay na mahal ko, passionate about, and still be to fulfill my first job, which is to be a mother.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ako na welfare.
Pinag-uusapan ng first batch, second batch kayo na doon sa baba. Lalo ka daw gumanda.
Kaming dalawa.
Kasi naman si Dimples maganda na rin yan. Dahil nakapagpahinga ka ng kahit paano.
Ano po ba yung pahinga? Pero oo, nag-bakasyon kami. Talaga ba? I accept all blessings. Thank you po sa makeup artist ko na si Mike Lariosa, si Jan, at sa curator. Ano po bang gagawin ko? Baka po dahil nagtan. Hindi kaya.
Your face. Grabe, ganda. Lalong gumanda. Yes.
Hindi ko pa maintindihan
Pero
kasi
mananakot ka dito sa dam.
gumising ako kaninang umaga, sabi ko, Puffy. Pero sabi ko, I love you. You're more than enough. Siyempre, pang morning, di ba? Ginaganyan natin yung sarili natin. Kasama yan sa self-love, self-care natin. Pero salamat po. Siguro matagal akong hindi nakita ng ating mga kaibigan sa press, no? And siguro kasi 2 years na ding si Dea ay pinanganak. So medyo siguro, I think, in terms of, I think that body really just has a way of really just kind of shedding off the pounds that you've gained. So, apart from, and countenance, siguro really talaga plays a big part of it. Na yung nakapagbakasyon ako, although po, syempre iba ding yung you're hosting your family, iba din siyang, I don't want to call it stress, ibang responsibilidad din siya. Pero nakapag-beach, oo, I think nakapag-relax and really quality, well, every time with my family is quality time. But yun po, siguro medyo nakahinga. And perhaps yun nga, hindi ko na nga, compared to quarter 2 of last year, itong first month, itong January, mas medyo kalmado po yung pasok ng taon. So siguro po yung talagang magaan-gaan pa. Hindi ba yung...
At least magandang mananakot.
Mananakot. Pareho kaming mananakot dito at natatakot in different
ways.
Sa
trailer pa
lang. Thank you.
Bago tong ninyo film na to.
Bago din talaga siya.
Yes.
For both Dimples and Lisa.
Thank you.
Kasi sa the genre of your differs is horror, thriller, suspense. Sa Hollywood kasi now, napapansin sila more for the substance. Ang naging reaction nila is finally may napapansin ng acting piece for horror, suspense. Do you think, locally speaking, mas mahirap magpapansin as an actress if that is your genre?
I think ultimately, if that were the goal, it is really very difficult to achieve. I think for us, or at least I'd like to speak for myself now, in terms of being recognized, it is something that just follows, at least for me. The main goal for me is really to affect the audience, mas yun yung lagi kong iniisip. Pag inisip mo kasi, okay, yung Tomon said, and you think, kailangan napansin yung pag-arte ko dito, or kailangan ma-recognize yung pag-arte ko dito, mahihirapan ka talaga to be at par with the kind of standard that you're putting up for yourself. I like to think that any particular project, movie like ours, is always a collaborative effort. So while I want to top the best that I have done prior to this project, I also don't want to take away the amazing abilities of those I am working with at the moment. I am part of, so I'm a member of the Academy for IMs. I judge for them. I judge also for Asian Academy almost yearly, and also a new member of the Asian Academy. So when you are part of an academy and award-giving bodies that are international, you get to see the whole different world that they can also offer. So makikita mo yung pagkakaiba ng mga gawa natin dito sa Pilipinas at pagkakaiba ng sa lahat. And while Demi Moore is being recognized now for The Substance, super amazing film. Iba rin kasi yung, so iba rin talaga yung timing ng lahat. And much as I want to compare my timing to theirs, and even our timing as our film industry in the Philippines to theirs, medyo malayo pa talaga tayo doon. Sa totoo, to be frank, in terms of technicality, ang hirap niyan, yung mga gamit nilang equipment. We are striving always for that. Oras.
Which means money.
Yeah, and training. Kasi sa Hollywood, di ba, pag nandun ka, they only take 1 film a year, 2, maybe the most. They have time to prepare, lose the weight, gain the weight, transform. While in the Philippines, we're not as fortunate just yet. I'd like to believe na darating din tayo doon kasi tayo naman, ang bilis natin mag-adapt. Kailangan lang talaga natin ng mga tao magtitiwala sa atin. At kung wala pang pera mula dito, bakit naman hindi tayo mag-open din talaga ng mga producers? And that's also the reason why Rain is doing such an amazing job, Rain Entertainment, because we are shooting the films here, we are taking all the abilities of, our resources here as Filipinos, taking it abroad. So makikita mo, it's not just caretakers. They have, done very well with. Alam ko naman na ang premise din talaga is to really bring caretakers outside of the country, show it to the entire world, and definitely, create more. So, to your question, feeling ko lang ako pagdating sa pag-arte in terms of an actress, mas hindi mo siya makakompare on how they do it abroad because their stories are different. Substance, pag dito mo yan ginawa, medyo iba pa ang reception natin, I would assume, no?
Hindi mo relate kasi hindi ko pa napapanood.
Pero diba, parang,
Yeah.
I'm sure yun would
Yeah,
relate
it would
na.
be different, yeah.
Different talaga. Kasi nga, iba ang kultura nila, iba sa atin. At
Yeah,
iba rin yung gauge ng galing natin.
Yeah.
I'd like to think ang mga Filipinos, hindi mo talaga, it's not the same playing field. Hindi siya mas mataas, hindi rin siya mas mababa, hindi rin siya pantay, pero magkaiba siya. Kasi yung storytelling natin as people, as actors, are so different from how they tell their stories. So once we get a hold of who we truly are as artists, as creative, as Filipino, having that DNA in all of us, and not be able to compare our work to the kind of work that they do, what they achieve, what gets recognized there, that's when we will all really truly thrive as a film industry. Kasi ma-embrace na natin fully yung pwede nating ibigay. So, yun. Mahirap siya kasi pag napanood mo siya, medyo, I get what you mean na parang, yung acting dito, biruin mo ngayon lang after so many decades, diba? Pero ang husay din niya kasi talaga.
Sorry, but what was your question? Because your question
Yeah, my question is, sa Philippines ba, do you think pag ang piece mo ay suspense or horror,
Mas mahirap
is it
daw
more
na-
difficult for you to like
sabi ko,
makonsider for acting whatever?
I truly understand your point and I love it and I do agree with everything that Dimples has said. But I have a very precise answer to your question because this is partly my main genre, horror and suspense perhaps, and I have been recognized, and I say this with all gratitude and humility, not arrogance, please. It was in Sicaw that I received my Urian Award.
Okay.
For Best Supporting Actress. I haven't had another one since then. I've done a lot of drama films.
So I think for you, mas madali pag...
It's not mas madali. It really is just... I'll get to that later. And then in Bliss, that was when I received a citation in Osaka. And that is like a suspense horror kind of film. And so it really is, it's not really always about the genre. It is about the story. It is about how you did in that film. It's, it's the role, it's the timing, it's a lot of things. But to say that it is harder to be recognized, because maybe what they're talking about is like mainstream horror sa kanila, but I think suspense, like a David Lynch film, would probably be kind of like suspense. No, it shouldn't be hard, but maybe kasi lang if you compare it to a drama of a Meryl Streep, diba? Nung araw, but of course, it really depends on the material. So, and the role. And again, Demi Moore maybe playing this before would not have been able to deliver as much. I don't know her personally, but maybe it's really tiny. It came to her hands at the perfect time. And then, in terms of just, kasi Dimples touched on this, which is not part of your question per se, but us Filipinos knowing who we are and really staying true to our roots and really, I think, telling Filipino stories and then being funded by the Philippines and even properly funded, I think Filipino talent, I really will say, is worthy of and is capable of doing so many things. Diba? Yung kung talent, we do not lack that. There, but we are getting every year closer and closer to and always just getting better. But we I think are at the cusp of just, we always say Korea. How did Korea do this? I think we are very capable of bringing our culture and our talent outside of the Philippines, whether it be regional or on the global platform. I think we can really be at par with how excellent we are in terms of talent. Now, the other things, we are working on them. Yeah.
Last question from Alden.